Welcome to Tips and Tricks, a new episode from Africell. And today's episode, we'll be talking about privacy and security to ensure that your data is protected and secured. Let's dive in. Using strong authentication methods like PIN, password, fingerprints, face recognition, secure access to your mobile. Use them frequently. You can add an extra layer of security by enabling two-factor authentication. When installing a new application, always review requested access permission before guaranteeing them. You can always change permission for each app in the setting app of your mobile. Keep your mobile operating system and app up to date. This will ensure you have the latest security features installed. Always make sure that you are connected to a trusted Wi-Fi network and use VPN when accessing public Wi-Fi network to encrypt data transmission. Use these tips and tricks to protect and secure your data. It is essential nowadays with access installed accounts and applications. See you in the next episode.